Assalamualaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 20 alternative ways of saying hello. आज की वीडियो में हम 20 नए तरीकों से हेलो कहना सीखेंगे. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. First alternative way to say hello is hi there. Second alternative way to say hello is greetings. Third alternative way to say hello is hey, what's up? Fourth alternative way to say hello is hi, how are you? Fifth alternative way to say hello is good to see you. Sixth alternative way to say hello is great to see you. Seventh alternative way to say hello is nice to see you. Eighth alternative way to say hello is how is everything going? Ninth alternative way to say hello is how are you? 10th alternative way to say hello is nice to see you here. 11th alternative way to say hello is long time no see. 12th alternative way to say hello is it is nice meeting you. 13th alternative way to say hello is what's new. 14th alternative way to say hello is how have you been. 15th alternative way to say hello is greetings and salutations. 16th alternative way to say hello is how are you doing today. 17th alternative way to say hello is good morning, how are you? 18th alternative way to say hello is glad to see you here. 19th alternative way to say hello is it's great to see you again. 20th alternative way to say hello is hi. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.